Welcome to a quick guide on enabling vibration for accepted follow request notifications on Instagram. If you've ever missed a new follower because your phone was silent, this video is for you. Let's get your alerts buzzing so you never miss a connection again. First, grab your phone and open the system settings. This is where all your apps and notification preferences live. You'll want to reach these options even though we're focusing on Instagram. Next, locate and tap apps. Depending on your device, this might be labeled as apps and notifications or applications. The goal is to see a list of all apps installed on your phone. From the app list, find Instagram and tap it. You're venturing into the app-specific settings now, where you can customize how Instagram communicates with you. Tap notifications to open the notification controls for Instagram. Here, you'll see various categories that Instagram uses to send different kinds of alerts. These categories let you tailor your alerts precisely, so you can keep your phone quiet for some events and loud for others. Look for notification categories. This section groups notifications into distinct types, making it easier to control what vibrates, sounds, or shows on your screen. Tap on Accepted Follow Requests. This is the category that handles alerts when someone requests to follow you and is then accepted. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll or expand additional categories until you locate it. Now you'll see the Vibrate option. Toggle it on to enable vibration for these specific notifications. With vibration turned on, every time you get an accepted follow request, your phone will give a tactile nudge, ensuring you notice the update even if your screen is off or you're in a noisy environment. If you want to fine-tune further, you can also adjust other notification settings in the same area, such as sound or pop-up banners. But the key step for vibration is simply turning on the Vibrate toggle for accepted follow requests. That's all there is to it. With these steps completed, you'll receive a physical reminder whenever someone you've accepted follows you, making sure you stay informed and connected.